We start with Luigi Mangione, the accused killer of UnitedHealth CEO Brian Thompson. He's in a major court hearing today. You can see him here sitting inside the courtroom.
His defense team asking a judge to rule out evidence found by police when Mangione was first arrested, including the notebook where prosecutors say he laid out his plan to allegedly murder the UnitedHealth CEO.
Mangione's attorneys say officers searched his backpack without a warrant and did not immediately read him his Miranda rights. In court filings, prosecutors say police were justified in their search to make sure Mangione didn't have anything dangerous on him.
Now, the 27-year-old is facing 9 state charges, including murder in the second degree for allegedly gunning down Brian Thompson on a Manhattan street last year. Mangione has pleaded not guilty to those charges. NBC News correspondent Sam Brock is following the latest from outside the New York City courthouse for us. Sam, first, what's happening as we speak? I mean, how are prosecutors expected to respond to Mangione's defense team?
Sure. Morgan, Vicky, good to be with you. We got off to a bit of a late start today. That's because there were some technical difficulties inside of court. Really, it was supposed to begin around 9 o'clock. It wasn't until about 10:45 that Luigi Mangione entered. And as you mentioned a second ago, he's wearing his civilian clothing, which the judge has given him permission to do. So you're seeing him in a dark sport coat right now in that checkered shirt. And he conferred with his attorneys there. Right about 10:45 is when witnesses started to be called to the stand. There have been 2 so far, guys. The first one is from the Department of Public Communications at the NYPD, really substantiating the building blocks for why there was a suspicion and the search itself to try to track down the suspect. In this case, there were images shown of Mangione from a hostel, allegedly Mangione from a hostel, allegedly him in the Starbucks prior to when the shooting took place. We then moved on to someone in security who had installed the system in the McDonald's in Altoona, Pennsylvania, where he was ultimately arrested. And some of those images were played. So we're seeing snapshots quite literally of the chase to find the suspect in the murder of Brian Thompson. Presumably that's going to lead us back to what the actual interactions were later in that day. But that does get to the contentions here from the defense. These are motions that are about the illegal search of his backpack and specifically the items in there and evidence suppression. What they are arguing is that there was no warrant that was requested until about 7+ hours after this entire interaction in Altoona began, guys. And that was a time period in which they were looking at things according to the motion, like a 3D printed gun. The 3-page document that was described where he talks about his anger toward the healthcare industry, as well as a personal journal. Those are critical pieces of evidence potentially, and this is what the defense would like to suppress. So it's going to be very much at the center of what we're seeing here in the next couple of days.
Yeah, it could really change the case, Sam. Obviously, a lot of attention on Luigi Mangione. We saw the GoFundMe account, folks coming out there in person to support him. What is it like at the courthouse?
It's a mixture, guys. From what we're told, we have our Stephanie Gosk and Adam Reese in court right now describing it for us. But you have mostly reporters, some Mangione supporters as well. One person, I'm told, wearing, a green outfit and hat. Another one with a T-shirt that says, "Justice is not a spectacle." You are looking at the intersection right now between people who are irate over the healthcare insurance industry, meeting justice for a father who was murdered in Midtown Manhattan. Obviously, it has drawn the national attention that we've seen from New York throughout the rest of the country, guys.
All right, Sam Brock for us. Sam, thank you so much.
We thank you for watching. And remember, stay updated on breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or watch live on our YouTube channel.